Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator.
Hey guys, good morning. Let me presenting the new chapter of By Legion Among Mortals, Superpowers, Episode 3, Heartbeat Library. So here it is. Let's read the story. It's likely that a circuit malfunction caused a transient overloads current staggering a protected shutdown of the device. Why don't you call a repairman? I've been very busy lately, Paul Comenci said. I contacted you because I knew you were busy, Paul Sinboye said. Sissy, you've been personally handling our permissions lately. I haven't seen you for days. Oh, Sinboye, she's really trying hard. At this moment, she's little angry, caressing her, but her skill is being activated. This girl, she won't really back down, right? She wanted to tease Sissy. What are you doing? Sissy said, feel it. It seems to have some effect. Now it makes sense. Sinbui, she wanted to tease her. Paul, holding her, obey my orders. Loosen your tie and take off your coat. Now it makes sense. Sinbui, she's really getting tricky. But now Sissy grabbed her hands, trying to hold it. Well, Sunboy, she got really caught about this. Well, what do you think? What she's going to do? Sunboy violated the Article 7 of school rules by using offensive skills against his classmates. Gomengi, go report me to the principal beside a use control type skill. Oh, this girl, she won't really make a reason for her now trying to break free. Well, we can see she's really trying hard. At this moment, she activates her skills again. Skills are being released at a full level. Now, it makes sense. Senbui, she is really getting tricky and keep asking Sissy and said, kiss me. Shirley wanted to obey her. Well, this girl, she's really getting tricky. Specialized skills, neuroempathy, by synchronizing the neutral activity of both parties, the targets develop a tweet press and attachments to the user. Well, the skills, it's really good, right? Sin doesn't doubt you. Well, what sins? You already brought me here. Well, just keep going, Senbui said to Sissy. Now, it makes sense. Stop right now. She don't want to do it, but still, Senbui, her command skill, it's really getting better. Well, Sissy, trying to tease her, and said, stop it, but Senbui, she keeps staring on Sissy with that look, of course. Sissy, she's snorting. Well, Senbui, still, she don't know how to tease her back, but still, she know she need to back down at this moment. How infuriating. Why can't I completely control you? It's because you're an S-class. Do you really want to control me? Well, because only in this way can you be by my side forever. Well, on the other hand, it's Lin Mixing. The classmate is paying attention to her. Early morning, while in Mixie attending the general education course, she should have already passed the exam. I remember she passed with the A perfect score and was even praised by the principal at the school assembly for it. It differs from the courses I've taken before, and I don't do I really understand. Classmate Bailey, at this moment, she's trying so hard to understand the lesson. Mixie, she was calling Bailey, may I sit next to you? Now, she kept approaching her. Bailey Chin, stirring and said, you sit down. Now, Muxie said, thanks. Looking at Bailey Chin, it seems that she's getting a suspicion about this. Well, I expected only the S-rank characters should attract Lin Muxie's attention, I also want to write Lee Mixie. Now it makes sense. The classmate keep gossiping. Well, probably they're still doubting. The director's daughters and the legendary potential users are considered a perfect, right? The primary responsibility of the hidden Firebringers is to combat the entropy and the judges, but exactly are entropy and the judges? Now it makes sense, putting aside the questions of how strong one mental strength at least one should be able to clearly understand. Wow, you can project the scene in your mind directly. After class, I fall asleep as soon as I hear the true lectures. I feel like I failed the exam again this time. Lynn Mixie is already the daughter of a board member. Well, finally, was there anything you don't understand in the lesson just now? There's so many people who don't understand. Bailiffin said to Mixie, here, here, and this. Bailiffin, she keep pointing to the lesson she don't understand well to Lin Mixie. Well, Lin Mixie surely came closer. But Bailiffin said, I don't even understand. Oh, this girl, she's been so honest about the things. Now, Lin Mixie, she get closer, she looked serious, and said, if you need it, Bailey, I can teach you. Well, Lin Mixie softly said to her, now, on the library, it seems that they need to go and research more. Well, she's really so close, and she wanted to teach her. Well, without any hesitation, Lin Mixie and Bailey Chin still searching on the library. I found you some introductory reference book that can help you to understand. Now it makes sense. Billie Jean, she keeps stirring and Lynn Maxine, while still doubting about what's the condition of Lynn Maxine, why she wanted to help her. Now, searching of the books and also notes, Lynn Maxine finally selected the book that can able to help Pilichin this during this time. But suddenly Pilichin, she come closer and said, why are you so nice to me? Pilichin said to Mixie. At this moment, she come closer and she wanted to know what's the reason. If I said it was to help the new students, do you believe it? Well, Mixie said to Pilichin. Look at her. She looks really serious about this. But Pilichin said, I don't believe you. You suspect you have ulterior motives towards me. Now, Pilichin said to Mixie, well, really can help it. I'm really the only one who can sense things, unusual energy, fluctuation emanating from her. Now, it makes sense. She was really curious about Pilichin. Yes, I did have ulterior motives. Now, Lin Mixes said to Pilichin, surely come closer just to tease her. Well, let's see. Hey guys, thanks for supporting Consuenahi. Thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can support me directly via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!